So yeah, so in this video, I will tell you this question: permutation in a string. So again, this is a very classic example of sliding window. Yes, sliding window, and we'll see how to do this. So see what is written here. This is a medium type of question, and it is of topic. So can I see how which topic it belongs to? So hash table 2. Okay, so we'll see it later. So given two strings s1 and s2, and we have to return true if s2 contains permutation. So what is permutation? It is a rearrangement of all the character of a string. So suppose I have this ABC. How many ways I can rearrange it? All the uh, all the rearrangements are known as permutation here. So suppose I have ABC. So ABC is one. Okay. BAC is second permutation. CBA is third, and just like that. Okay. So of S1. Okay. Or false otherwise. So in other words, return true if S1's permutation is a substring of S2. Okay. Again, when I told you in my last video, whenever a substring comes in your question, first always think about this sliding window. So see this see this example. In this you have this S2 is EID BA triple O. Okay, so EID BA triple O, and you have S1 AB. So if I rearrange AB, so this is the example. If I rearrange AB, permutations, I am writing it like P. All the rearrangement of S1 is what? First is AB, okay, and second is wait, second is BA. Yes, only these two permutations are possible, and no other rearrangement you can make. Suppose it was ABC. So first is ABC, second is BAC, third is CBA. Yes, and can I do further? So BCA, yes, BCA, okay, and CBA, BCA, and okay, so okay, just like that you can do this. Okay, so I won't make because this wasn't the example. The uh, example was like this only. AB and BA, and this was not ABC, this was only AB in our previous example of this lead code, example 1. So we have to return why true, because see, if you rearrange this AB in such a way, see like this, we have rearranged it like this BA. Okay, if you rearranged AB into BA, you will find this BA into this S2, EDBA triple O. Okay, so EDBOOO. In this, you have this BA, which is exactly same as this BA. So you have to do something like this. So there's a brute force way. So see this hint. It is given here in lead code. I love this. See this. Hint one. Obviously, brute force will result in TLE. What is this TLE? This is time limit exceeded error. So if you apply brute force approach, suppose you find every possible permutation of S1, then you compare it with each window. See, my first window will this. So now you can understand this. This is my first window. This is my second window. This is gonna be my third window. This is my fourth window. This is my fifth window, and this is my sixth window. Just like that. Okay, just like that. So we are going to do something like this. So if you see here, if you make all the possible permutations of AB, okay, we have made all the possible permutations of AB and BA. Yes, now we'll compare it with each of our window. First window is this, second is this, third is this, fourth is this, fifth is this, and sixth is this. Okay, but see, this will result in time limit exceeded error. So is there any other way we can do it? Yes, there is a good way, there is a better way. So what we will do, we will take first this window ED, okay, and we will sort it. So D comes first and then E. It will be like this. We will compare this with this S1. So it is not matching, okay, so we won't take it. Now we take this DB. We will again sort this. So what will it give me? So BD, it will give me BD. I will again check it with this AB. Is it matching? No, it is not matching. So this is not my string. So now I will take BA. Okay, so BA, if I sort BA, so what I will get? I will get AB. Yes, and if I match with this S1, so yes, it is giving me the right output, and I will return true. Yes, but see, again, this is a sorting takes your the if you use sorting function which is given in every language, so that is the best sorting function. Okay, so that takes O of log n. Yes, that takes O of log n, and if you sort it by O of log n and you are running it for n times, you are sliding your window for n times, so that will be O of n log n. That is a very bad time complexity for this question. So see, it has given us here one way is permutation that I told you, brute force way, but that will result time limit exceeded error. And another way is sorting. See this hint 3. sorting is a good way, but it I won't suggest you. So now see, common metric. So now it is giving you hash map and hash set. See, hash table. Okay, or you can make an array or array of 26. So I will tell you hash table way. Okay, so what you can do, you can do something like this. You can make array of 26 zeros, 0 comma 0 comma 0, and these are 26. Okay, 26 zeros. Now this first zero, I have told it to you in my any previous video. I don't know the video name. So okay, so this will give this is the index of A. This is the index of B. Okay, and just like that, this is the index of what, C. Okay, like this. This third index is representing C. So now how can I represent these index? So how will be the array of this AB look? AB array will look like this: 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0 up to 26 zeros. Why? Whenever you find any A, I will increase the count of A. Suppose in S1 I found A, so I will do what? I will just increase its count to 1. Now in S1 I found B, so I will increase the count of B. Suppose S1 was ABC, then I will increase the count of C as well, 1. And suppose there are 2A in S1, so I will increase the count of A to what? 2. Yes, just like that we can do. Or there is another way. Why I'm saying this? Because see, you can make a hash map of this S1. How that map will look? So see, I'm just doing all the possible ways I'm telling you. So map of S1, map is equals to A is 1 and B is 1. Okay, so I'll create a map of this S1. Okay, this is the map of S1. Yes, this is the map of S1. Now I'll create map of each window. I will create map of this ED, E1, D1. I'll compare both the maps. If they match, then I'm good to go. Otherwise, I'll move my window. Now I'll create a map of BD. Okay, DB. Again, I'll match with the map with this map. So if not, again I'm going further. So now when I got BA map will look like same this map. So that is my answer. Or this array way I was telling you. So I will create S1 array of S1. Okay. So array of S1 will look something like this. Okay. And now I will create array of each window. Suppose this ED. How the array of this ED window look? I'm showing it to you here. Here I'm showing. So array of this ED window is 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1. See, this first index is A, second B, third C, fourth D, and fifth E. Okay, so fifth index is E, comma D. So D index I will also increase. And apart from that, every other thing is zero inside our array. There are 26 zeros. We don't care about them, but we just care about these two ones. So this is our array. So I will do, and I will check which array, if array of any window is equals to my S1 array. Okay, so very easy concept again. So let me write the code for this. So let first I'll create array. Array for my comparison. So arr is equals to what? A array of array dot no array of 26. See, it suggested us uh, where let me see, in some hint it was suggesting us, see, array of size 26. So I will create array of size 26 dot fill, fill with it, fill it with what? Zeros. Okay, 26 zeros. So I'm filling it with 26 zeros. And now see, each of my iteration is zero right now of that array. Each of the index is zero. So now I'll run a loop for let I is equals to 0 and I less than what? See, I have to create array of this S1. So why not S1 dot length? See, S1 dot length. Yes. Okay. So length spelling is this only, NENGTH. Yes. Okay. So I plus plus again, and now uh, I will find index. Let index is equals to index. So how can we find index? So see, the index of A will be what? Let me show you again. So index of this A will be what? Character code at A is small a, I think is 97. Yes, and large A is capital A is 65. Yes, so small a is 97. So I will minus. Suppose I have right now I have S as my character. So I'll minus character code of S is suppose I don't know its character code. It is like 101. 101. Okay, it is not 101. Minus 97 minus character code at A. I will do like this. Okay, I'll do like this, minus 197, and I'll get the character code of S. Okay, like this. Okay, so char code at A. So okay, uh, S. See, I'm doing it for JavaScript. You can check for your language if you are watching this from any other language. So see, S dot char code at, okay, char code at what? S1 dot C, not S. Right now we have S1. Yes, S1 dot char code at I. Yes, I. We are going from 0 to, suppose S1, S1 length is 2. So 0 and 1. So S1, 1 of S1 of length. Yes, okay. Yeah, I won't confuse you. So char code at minus 97. If I'm not wrong, small is 97 only. So okay, index is this, and I will array at that index. Okay, so index plus plus, yes, this should be my array. So now I have made my array. Okay, so index plus plus, yes, this is my comparison array. Now I will do what? I will again run a loop. Let I is equal, or not I, we can take I, but I will take j here because I have taken I above. So j, j what, j less than, now we are going to, our window will move in s2. So s2 window will start from 1, and then it will move like this. So j less than s2 dot length, s2 dot length minus s1 dot length, and not less than, equal to, cy, equal to, uh, okay, y equal to, because suppose let me, even I don't know how equal to or not equal to. See, here s1 dot length is what, 6 7 8 8, and s2 dot, s1 dot length is 2, s2 dot length is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. So see how many windows I'm getting here. How many windows? One, two, wait, three, four, five, and six. Six windows. See. Okay. So 0 to 5. 0 to uh, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 0 to 6 are 6 iteration. Yes. Okay. So uh, 0 to, okay. And S2 dot length is what? Hey, let me check it once. EDB triple O. E I D I D B A triple O. Okay. A triple O. Okay. So first window is this. Here J is at 0. So how many windows we have to make? First window is this. Second is this. Third is this. Fourth is this. Fifth is this. Sixth is this. Okay, 7 windows. Wait. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, 7 windows we have to create. So okay, equal to is perfect. 7 windows. So 0 to 6 are not 5 iteration. They are 7 iteration. Yes. So and j plus plus, yes. So j plus plus, okay. So now we are going j plus plus, and see, j plus plus. So first j is at 0th index, and my, okay, so I have to run again a loop. Let k is equals to 0. Okay, k will check that k is not at 0, k will be at j, and it will check k less than what, s1 dot length, s1 dot length. Okay, so s1 is this ab dot length, ab dot length is 2 plus j. Again we are plussing j and adding j, and then k plus plus. Yes, perfect. So I think my code is good now. So now we will check, see, how can we check that, I will create array of this k. So I will create array of that window. So let me create a variable. Let c array, comparison array, is equals to an empty array. Okay, so let it be an empty, or let me, array of 26 only, 26 dot fill, fill with what, zeros, all zeros. Yes, so I'll fill it with all zeros, and now I will do what, c arr, index. What is the index? So index at that is uh, s2 of k, s2 of k dot, not like this, s2 of dot char code at what k. Okay, minus again 97. Yes, see why I'm doing this 97, because constraint is that we have all English letters. So English lowercase letter starts from 97 only. So okay, this is the char code and I'll plus it. Okay, so again we have made our C array, and now if uh, is equal is my function is true, I'll pass both the arrays to it. I'll create a comparison function that won't take any time. So arr comma c arr. Okay, return true, else not else. See, if this loop ran and nothing we found, so return false. Not like this. Sorry, today I'm typing very wrong. So okay, so if okay, now I will create this function is equal. So now our task is to create this function. So function again. Okay, let me type slowly. Okay, function is equal. Okay, is equal. We have arr comma c arr inside this, and now we will do what? We have to check both the arrays. So how can we check that? For let I is equals to 0 and I less than what, 26. 26, yes, and I plus plus. Now we have 26 things in our array, 26 indexes. So if arr of I is not equal to, any time it's not equal to CARR of I, then return false. Yes. Else, if this whole loop ran and we didn't found anything else, not else, return true. Yes. So this is my code, and let me see will this run or not. So let's see. I don't know this will work or not. So see, it is accepted, and if I check is there any error in that. So see, there's no, and see there's one thing more you can write. See, if you don't know, suppose you are in a exam and you don't know what is the char code at a, so you can write something like this: a dot, this I'm telling for JavaScript people only. So char code at, okay, you can do something like this. This should run. I think this should run. So this won't give me any error. See, you can write something like this: a dot char code at. We don't know what is the char code at a. We wrote this. Okay. So see what I'm doing here right now before submitting. Let me submit it. So see, we are iterating through each window with this j loop. J is initially at 0, okay, and k is at j, so k is also at 0. J will run up to 6, means 7 times, and my k will run only 2 times, okay, and it will go from j to j plus the length, that is 2. Initially j was at 0, see this j was 0, and this s1 dot length was 2, and again j plus j is 0. So it ran to 0 to 2, k ran to 0 to 2, that is first window. 0 to 2, 0 to 1 means 0 to 2 means 2 iterations, okay. So it ran only 2 times. Again then j become 1, then k also become 1. So k become 1 and k ran to 1 to 3, so 1 and 2 only iterations. Then j become 2, k also became 2 and become 2, and then they both ran to 2 to 4, that is 2 and 3 iterations only. And we each time we made this array c array, okay, and we check is this equal to our arr, that initial arr we made with this s1 s2, okay, whatever that was. So that was my code, and that is submitted. And if we check the time complexity of this question, so what should be the time complexity of this? So we made an array that is o of n, okay, and then we ran a loop that is o of n square, but it is not o of n square. Why? Because we are running it n times and we are making okay, so it is kind of o of n square. We again every each time we are making this but it's a constant operation. This is, see, this loop is running for 26 time only, okay. This can maximum run for 26 times. So this can be O of n, but let's see. It won't be O of n. They can also write O of n into m. Analyze complexity. O of n into m or O of n. See, it's O of n. So I was correct, because why? Because this loop is running for 26 times only. So you cannot consider it O of m into n. This is a constant time complexity. So again, that was my code for this. And if you find a better solution, you can do it by HashMap also. You can, there are so many ways of doing the same question. So with whatever way you find, you can do it with that. So thank you so much. That was my solution. Thank you so much.